Hi, I'm here to give you a quick tour of Alloy's version of Drupal. I'm looking at a site that we built a couple of months ago, and we can take a quick peek at it and see a couple of pages that we're going to look at logged out and then logged in. So the business logs page is the one that we're going to look at actually editing because it has a pretty normal body section at the top, a billboard at the very top, and then additional sections on the page that are editable and customizable. So when we want to log into the site, we go to /user. And now that we're logged in, we'll go back to the home page. The biggest difference that you see is that there's an admin bar across the top of the screen. We can still navigate the site as we normally would and see all the pages. The other difference is in each individual page, there are tabs to click to actually edit the page you're on or to see revisions of that page, the version history. So let's take a look at the business logs page. And I have that page here in another tab so we can look at it as the site visitor looks at it as well. And when I'm on that page, I can click the Edit tab. And it shows me all the components that are being pulled, all the content that's being pulled to create this page. The title is the page title, the H1 of the page, and what appears at the top. There's a billboard on this page that we can edit. The body section is next, and it's a basic WYSIWYG editor, really easy to put in content, put in images, lists, and things, and be able to see as you're composing how it's going to look. And then the additional sections on the page that are built out here in a tool we call Assembly. So at the top of the page, let's take a look at the billboard. We've got an image, and then we've got some text here on the right for this page. Changing out the image is really easy. There's an image field, and you can just remove it and upload a new image or select a different image that's already been uploaded to the site. You can also edit the text that's appearing beside that image on the page if you needed to change anything there. You'd make your edits and click Update Assembly, and it would save. And then when you save the page, it would update for the live site. In the body section, we've got normal, bold, italics, strike through. There's a clear formatting button, which is helpful when you're pasting from Word or another source, and some of the formatting comes in with it. You can use the Link It tool to add links in your text, and you can search within the website itself to find pages that match what you want to link to. So if I wanted to link to the contact page, I can search contact, choose that page, and it will populate with the node ID and make that a link. So I don't have to find the link, and I don't have to worry about making sure the link is properly formatted so that it doesn't include the root domain. I can clear that link. Lists, unordered lists and numbered lists are there. Quote, like a pull-out quote, block quote, inserting images, and then applying text styles. So headings, all the different heading styles are here. You're choosing hierarchy. You're not choosing typefaces and colors because we want to create consistency throughout the entire site. So it allows you to control how it looks visually, but within the predetermined library for the brand and for the site. There's also view source. If you needed to paste in an embed code from somewhere else, you can do that through here, or if you've got some extra divs and junk that are pasted in based on where you pulled something from, the source would help reveal that. If we go down past the body section, there is an option for a sidebar embed on this site. Most sites that we build have a lead generation component. They want the site visitor to initiate contact. They want them to reach out. So we have some features that are built into our tools to allow for forms on a lot of different pages. This particular page doesn't have a form, but we can go to another page on the site that does. The sections below, we'll take a look at the access plus control section, the first one here. And we'll take a look at that. We can see it's been named, so it's easy to know which section we're talking about. There's a few versions of access plus control on this website. This one has a thin rule above it as a visual divider. So if you wanted to reuse this on a different page, you would see the options for access plus control, and this one has the bar above, and maybe that's what you need based on your page layout. If we edit this one, we can change out the image. We've got the alt text that appears with the image. The title is optional. The section does not have a title above the image and text, but that is an optional field. And then another WYSIWYG editor to actually change the text that's appearing in this section in the assembly. So this assembly is used throughout the site. And if I discovered a typo here, or there was another point I wanted to make and add another sentence, and I update this assembly on this page, it would do it on the entire site. Anywhere that this assembly is used, it would update as you save on this page, which is great. You don't have to make your edit a bunch of different places for elements that are being reused. You can also build out assemblies that are unique to a specific page. They're not used on other pages, and in that case, the changes you would make would only be seen on that page. So that's a quick preview. There's other assemblies in action on this site here, and a few other features that are specific to this client. But overall, the look and feel of what it's like when you log in, the menu options, the URL path, the automatic alias, these features are consistent on all the sites that we build. And it's very easy to edit and save and publish the content that you're editing and composing on the site. I'm going to log out. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Megan at alloymagnetic.com. Thanks.